Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to turn off parental controls on Fortnite. To begin, your first step is to open a web browser, whether on a computer or mobile device. Then, you can search for Epic Games, as they are the ones who operate Fortnite. After that, you should locate the sign in button on the top right corner and click on it. You will have to select a method of signing in. I will choose to sign in with Epic Games. Once you have successfully signed in, you will be redirected to the homepage. To proceed, you must click on your username located at the top right corner of the screen. This action will redirect you to your account settings. Next, you will need to navigate to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Parental Controls. You will need to enter the PIN that you have set up when you first enabled the parental controls. If you do not know the PIN, you will need to ask the person who set it up originally to provide you with a code or enter it themselves. However, if you remember the PIN, you can simply enter it as I will do now. And then, you got all these different settings which you can go and change. For example, at the moment, I always have to go and enter a PIN for my purchases. So I can go and disable that just like so. And I could also go and scroll down. Additionally, I can modify other settings such as enabling voice chat for everyone and adjusting various other preferences. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.